already done. What I've given in the title session, it has present in the out of the body, that is title. Okay, so close this terminal and uh, close this also. Here, what is elements? So elements, an element we compresses a start tag and contain and end tag. It is right. We have the elements, the start tag, content and end tag. We call it as that is elements. Okay. I will do the thing here in HTML. Okay. So this is the top type. Okay. And here I will execute one. We have the H1 is the start tag and we ended with the forward slash H1, right? So this is the end tag. In middle of here, I will write the content. Okay. Hello world. Okay. Hello world. This is the, what is this is?
Content.
This is?
Content.
Yeah, content. Just a second. Hello? Hello? నా చెప్పండి. అవునన్నా. కాదు కాదు తండ్రి త్రివేణి. ఉంది అన్న. రెజ్యూమే లేదన్నా. కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ పంపిస్తాక. నా పేరు చెప్పండి అన్న. జయశ్రీ మ్యామ్ అని చెప్పండి. So here, this is the content. So this is called HTML and we have the two types of comments. One is single line comment and multi-line comment, right? This is elements. Okay. Single line comment and multi-line comment we have. Okay. And here I will write another thing. This is the P tag also we have the start tag. And here HTML elements I will keep it. Okay. HTML elements. Okay. So I need to run this, open in a browser. Here it will present. So we call it as HTML elements. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. And next topic, I will tell you the next topic, that is heading. Heading dot HTML or HTM. Okay, this is the bytecode. And here I will name it as headings. Okay. Here the HTML headings are elements we will denoted by H1 to H6 tags. Okay, it will used and organized and structured textual contents within a web page. So it will indicating H1 to H6. Okay, so H1 is the largest tag and H2 is the smallest tag. It is, we have the subheading over there. Okay, and H6 will be the very smallest heading. Okay, I will tell you H1 and H2. Okay, so here this is the heading. This is heading. Okay, H1. Okay, and here we have H2. Please remember one thing. You will write like this. Uppercase. It will work. Okay, it will work. H2. It will work actually. Okay. While you are writing here H3 here and you will use H4 here, it will not work. Okay, please remember this case. Okay, it should be both H3 while you are start tag in H3. It is also there for ending tag H3 only. Don't use H4 here. It will not work. Okay, clear? This is heading H4. Sorry, it is H3, right? So H3. And here H4 is heading H4. Here H5. This is heading H5. Okay. And last heading and that is H6. This is the very smallest one. H6. Okay. Heading 6. H6 we will take. Okay. And these all are called headings. So I will comment this. So in comment section it will not display in our browser. Okay. That's it. So this is the 6 types of headings we have. Is it clear?
Yes.
And next we have the P tag, that is paragraph dot html, enter. This is bytecode, enter. Paragraph. Okay, here I will take the P and of text purpose we have shortcut key, it is lorium, enter. This will be the blank text. It will present here. Okay. So I am using the normal text here. I am not using here without. So okay, I will do the thing here. This is with paragraph. Okay, with p tag. Okay, not here. So this is with paragraph. I will use this is with paragraph, right? So I am trying to do here without paragraph. So it will not display in the paragraph type. It will display like any like it will display like without here. I'm not using chunk of paragraphs. Normally I'm using here 2 lines of paragraph. So that's why it will not show any differences. Okay, you will use the chunk of paragraph. It will show the difference. Okay, it is fine. It is fine. And next we have the attributes. Okay, attributes dot html or hdm dot html or hdm. The attributes here, attributes, I will name it as here, and attributes. Okay, here what is attribute means? The HTML attributes are provides the additional information. Okay, and it will modify modify their behavior, appearance, or characters. And they consist of name and a value or specified within the opening tag of an element, and attributes play a crucial role in enhancing the functionality and presentation of web pages. Okay, So here, here additional information means we have the two values. One is key, like a key pair values. So we need to denote it as uh, left side will be the attribute and right side will be the right side will be the value. So it's both denoted, both separated by equal to symbol. Okay. So I will show you here. This is one. Uh, this is x1. This is one element. So we have the opening tag and closing tag here. Instead of opening tag, I will use style attribute here. The attribute we are separating. We need to give the value here, and we will separating assign the symbol that is equal to here. Okay. I will keep the one style. I will write here that is blue, blue. So I will write this is attribute. Okay, this attribute, and enter. I will take image. Here it has the also the attribute. Okay, here it has the also the attribute. Already we have the name word. I will take here. Okay, and alt means alt also attribute, and alt means that is if the image is not present over there, the alt message will be the printed. Okay, so here I will care word I will take. Okay, so we don't have ending tag for image. Okay, and here a href. Here I will keep the reference link here. We'll take youtube.com. I will take here this link. Oh, it's not coming. Okay, I will take this link from here. So I will keep here that link. So it will redirect into the where it will redirect into YouTube, right? So what happens here? The within the page redirection is happens here. So I will execute this. Open in browser. So within the page redirection is happening. So we don't want the within the page redirection. We need out of the page redirection. For that, we'll use here href alternative. Here, I will do. I will do. I will paste the same link here. So you will take target here. Target also the attribute blank. So it will represent the out of the page. One page to another page redirection is happening here. Okay. So I will do the thing here, enter. So here I will here two we don't have the ending tag for VR. Okay. For break for image also I will take one break, and uh, we have input tag. Okay, we input for text, right? So type also one attribute. Okay. So placeholder means what? The placeholder is hint of the text. I will give the hint here. Enter your enter your name. Okay. Enter your name. This is the int of the text. Here placeholder also attribute. So maximum length I will give here 20. Okay. So these all are attributes. We have the some